Before doing task 10, I want you to do one thing. Go to formulas and go to name manager. In that, other than needed details, remove these data sets. We need only three data sets. Other than that, we don't need any data sets. Okay, so close it. Now these values will be appropriate because in formulas, for some values, some necessary data types were created, data sets were created. So just cross check, go to name manager, and that you only said needed cust items and supply data sets are available. If something is extra, you just delete it. Alright, now save it. What it is mentioning here for task 11, it is asking that based on the type of the currency we mention in data input sheet, the value in cost price that is mentioned in the report sheet should be updated. Okay, how it should be updated? The actual value of the cost price of the selected type of currency multiplied by the exchange rate that we created in data input sheet means what we should do, this value is equal to data input sheet में if it is EE, this value into and report sheet cost price EE. Alright, so how we create this one, this is the actual formula I used it. Now let me change this one, data input 9. Chalo, I will show you now. I'm going to share this formula. Alright, just remember this one. Now first one is we are rounding it to two decimals. Okay, then we are using if conditional statement to perform this activity. First we are searching in data input d7, if data input d7 is EE, then what we are doing, u4 in report sheet multiplied by data input sheet d8. Okay, the exchange rate value. Then again if it is SG, the value should be multiplied by respective values. So let me implement this round if. Okay, so just is equal to round comma 2 close. For that if, what is that, data input sheet d7 select is equal to double quote e, then what it should be, value should be this value multiplied by report sheet EE value. Okay, so next what it is saying, again we are opening it in a, again we are cross checking whether the values is SG, then what it should be done. So similar kind of thing, already first one is done. If here to here already we have implemented, now we implementing the second part of if conditional statement. Okay, so what we do, we close this one, then we keep it like that, and then again we start if conditional statement. If data input sheet d9 is equal to SG, then what should be done, then SG reference value multiplied by report sheet actual value of SG, done. Now we have a, one more bracket should be used. Now let us see. Okay, this one open. Not here, maybe it should be here. This is second one, right? Now it would be okay, I guess. See, first if ka either if close here. For this if we closed it here. For round if we closed it outside. The problem not trying formula when the first character is equal to or minus. Excel thinks it's a formula. Double quote. It's a problem. It is not recognizing as a text. It is recognizing it as something else. So let us use it. Done. So this is the formula that we use. Just follow for one thing and just select everything. And what is happening here? Sorry. Just select one. Why? Mm, I will do one thing. Dollar and dollar here. So that when I drag it, it won't change. EE and data input it is D8, and wherever it is data sheet, there we give dollar symbol. We don't need to update anything for report sheet, but whenever it is data sheet, before column number and row number we give dollar symbol. So this is that is static referencing of the cell. Okay, now let us drag it. Now it generates values. Perfect. 7 minutes gone. It's a simple formula. You just try doing it, right? It's a very simple formula. How it is done? What we should do now? Let us try changing it to SG. So first you remember first value is 57.31. So when we change SG, the value should be automatically changed, right? E. So now this is done. This is the formula. I will be mailing you the formula for task 11. Just use it, alright? Thank you. By doing this, task 11 is done. So in the next, what is this? Yeah, I already tested. Already tested everything. If you want to test with Kiko, it will definitely generate error value. You go on the worksheet. If you print, it should be invalid. Replace the word Google with. So ignore this one. Okay, that is fine. Function is formula is fine. You fix that one, right? Uh, in the next video, I will make task 12 related video. I will explain you task 12, doing task 12.